Auntie Kenya is here to read with you every day. Something new. Grab a book, turn a page. Reading is fun at any age. Come on and read with Auntie Kenya.
Hi, nieces and nephews. It's your favorite auntie, Auntie Kenya. What will we read? Let's read a story about a very big dog, Clifford, the big red dog. Clifford, the big red dog. Story and pictures by Norman Bridwell. To the real Emily Elizabeth. I'm Emily Elizabeth, and I have a dog. My dog is a big red dog. Other kids I know have dogs too. Some are big dogs, and some are red dogs. But I have the biggest, reddest dog on our street. This is my dog, Clifford. We have fun together. We play games. I throw a stick, and he brings it back to me. He makes mistakes sometimes. We play hide and seek. I'm a good hide and seek player. I can find Clifford no matter where he hides. We play camping out, and I don't need a tent. He can do tricks too. He can sit up and beg. Oh, I know he's not perfect. He has some bad habits. He runs after cars. He catches some of them. He runs after cats too. We don't go to the zoo anymore. Clifford loves to chew shoes. He digs up flowers. It's not easy to keep Clifford. He eats and drinks a lot. His house was a problem too. But he's a very good watchdog. The bad guys don't come around anymore. One day I gave Clifford a bath, and I combed his hair and took him to the dog show. I'd like to say Clifford won first prize, but he didn't. I don't care. You can keep all your small dogs. You can keep all your black, white, brown, and spotted dogs. I'll keep Clifford. Wouldn't you? The end. Thank you for reading with Auntie Kenya, nieces and nephews. Until next time, keep reading and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Auntie Kenya's here to read with you every day. Something new.